Hello, hello, my friends! Today we are going to learn shapes, colors, numbers, and so many other things in a super fun way. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh, friends, look! We have this empty, cute puzzle. And we need to fill all these spaces with the right pieces. I guess this will be a clock, because I see an hour hand and a minute hand right here. Am I right? Oh, yes! So now, we're going to start with this part and complete it. After that, we will move to the next part. Okay, friends? So let's go! Time to find the first piece. Now, friends, let's start with this shape. It looks like a lucky leaf, or even a flower. It has 4 rounded sides, right? So, which one of these pieces looks like it? Is this the right shape? No, it isn't. It doesn't look like it, see? Oh, friends, look! I found it! This is the right piece. Look closely. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 rounded sides. Yes, that's the one. And its name is the quatrefoil. And as you see, it's red. And it has the number 1. Now, let's look for this shape. It's like a heart. So, which one of these pieces is a heart shape? Oh, yes! I found the heart shape. Look carefully. Which number and color is this shape? Yes! It's the number 2, and its color is green. Now, let's put it in its place. Great job! Now, friends, which shape has 3 sides like this? Look carefully, my friends. Is it this one? No, it isn't. Oh, look! I found it! See? This one has 3 sides too. Now tell me, which number and color do you see here? Oh, yes! It's the number 3. And the color of this shape is yellow. So this one is a triangle. Awesome! Now, friends, let's look for this one. So, as you see, it has a short line on top and a long line at the bottom. They are parallel. Which one of these pieces is the right shape? Oh, look! I found a piece with 4 sides. But no, it doesn't look like it. So, this is the right one, my friends. I found it! It looks exactly like the shape we are looking for. It has 2 parallel sides, one small and one big. And it is a beautiful purple color with the number 4. And we call it a trapezoid. Perfect! Now, let's put it in its place. So this one is not a circle. It's like half of a circle. Which one of these do you see that is the one we're looking for? Oh, look! I found this one! It looks a bit like a half moon. Let's see if it matches. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Oh, look! I found it! This is the one! Do you know the name of this shape? Yes, it's a semicircle. And tell me, what color and number is it? Orange, and it has the number 5. Let's put it in its place. And now to the next shape. Open your eyes wide. Which piece has 5 sides and 5 corners? Aha! I found it! It looks exactly right. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. Do you know the name of this shape? Yep, that's right. It's a pentagon. And it has the color blue and the number 6 on it. Now let's find this one. So as you see, it is all rounded like this. Let's see which piece is like this. No, not this one. It doesn't match at all. Ooh, look at this one. It's the correct piece. This shape is called a circle. So friends, look carefully and tell me, which number and color is this circle? That's right. It's the number 7 and the color is red. Let's put it in its place. Let's keep going. Now this shape has 5 points. Do you see a piece with 5 points? Ooh, yes! You're right! This one is the right one. It has 5 points and it looks exactly like the spot we need. Do you know what we call this shape? Yes! It's a star! But our star is very special. It's green and it has the number 8 on it. Let's put it in and watch it shine. Do you see the shape? It's curved. It looks like a banana. Let's find where it is. Not this one. Oh, wait! This is the one we're looking for. Yes! So, this shape is called a crescent. Can you see the number on it? It's the number 9. And this shape is colored with a bright yellow color. Now let's put it in its place. So now, as you see, this shape has 4 sides, and the opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. No, not this one. Yes, you're right. It's this one. Do you know the name of this shape? Yep, it's a parallelogram. And our parallelogram is purple, and it has the number 10 on it. Great job, my friends! Let's slide it right into its spot. Now, friends, we only have these 2 shapes left to find. So, this one is like an egg. Which one of these 2 looks like the shape we're looking for? Ooh, yes, it's this one. Do you know its name? Yep, you're totally right. It's an oval. Its color is orange, and it has the number 11 on it. Let's put our egg shape right in its spot. And now, friends, we have this last shape left. It has 4 sides that are all the same length. So this is the last piece. It also has 4 right corners. Do you know the name of this shape? Yep, that's right, my friends. It's a square. And our square is blue, and it has the number 12 on it. Let's put the last piece in its place. Great job, my friends! Ooh, friends, what happened? Look, so many colors have appeared here. It looks like magic colored marbles in little cups. Let's meet them. So we have this green cup with green marbles. See, it's all green. And we have an orange cup with orange marbles. Look at them. They are so bright. And look at this one. It's blue. This one is purple. And this one is yellow. And finally, we have this red cup with red marbles. Now, friends, after we finish the shapes, our new mission is to put the marbles in their right color homes. So, I have this thing to capture the marbles. Look at it. It looks just like a duck's beak. Quack, quack, quack. I'm just kidding. We are going to use our tongs to pick up the marbles one by one. So, friends, this is the number 1. We've already seen it, right? Now we are going to fill the marble home right in front of it. Here we have the number 1. So that means we need the quantity of 1. Just 1 marble, okay? And look at the color. It's red. So we need 1 red marble. So here is the red cup with the red marbles. Let's take just 1 red marble with our tongs and put it in its place, just like that. You understand the game now? Great! Good job, my friends! So, it's your turn now. We learned before that we have the number 2, and its color is green here. Since it's the number 2, how many marbles do we need? Yes, you're so smart! We need 2 green marbles. So, where are the green marbles? Is this the green color? No, that's orange. Yes, you're right. This is the green cup with the green marbles. Let's grab them with our duck beak. 1, 2. 2 marbles. 2 marbles. Great job, my friends. So here we have the triangle with the number 3, and its color is yellow. So obviously, we will need to put how many marbles? Look carefully. Yes, we need 3 yellow marbles. Where is the yellow here? Yes, you found it. It's this one. So as you said, we will put 3 marbles. 1, 2, 3. 3 marbles. So now, friends, I guess you understand how it works. Here we have a purple trapezoid with the number 4 on it. That means we need 4 purple marbles. And here are the purple marbles. So I will use the tongs and grab how many marbles? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 purple marbles. Awesome! You guys are doing great. Now, friends, we need to fill this place with marbles. We have here an orange semicircle. And look, it has the number 5 on it. So, where is the orange? Is this the orange marble cup? No, it isn't. That's blue. Yes, this is the orange one. So, friends, we need to grab 5 marbles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, we have 5 orange marbles here now. Awesome! So friends, tell me, what is the name, color, and number of this shape? Yes, it's a blue pentagon with the number 6 on it. You're a genius! You remembered it! So now, obviously, we need to grab 6 blue marbles, right? Here is the cup with the blue marbles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There we go. We put 6 blue marbles in their place. So friends, here we have a red circle with the number 7 on it. Obviously, we need to put 7 pieces of red marbles. As you see, this is the cup with the red marbles. We will grab the number of marbles we need right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last piece, 7. Oh, friends, look! We are all done with the red marbles. Look, the cup is totally empty. Every red marble is now safe in its home. Look, I see an empty place here and a green star with the number 8. So I will grab 8 green marbles from this green cup. Help me, friends. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ooh, look at that! This green cup is empty now too. No more green marbles. Look, now it's time for number 9. It's this beautiful yellow crescent moon. Do you see all those empty holes? There are so many. So, this is the yellow cup with yellow marbles. I'm sure it's going to be empty very soon too. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last piece, 9. Wow, 9 yellow marbles for the moon. See, I told you, this yellow cup is empty now too. We have no more yellow marbles. The crescent moon took them all. Now, friends, we only have these 3 last empty places left. So, here we have this purple parallelogram with the number 10 on it. So, of course, we need 10 purple marbles, right? By now, I know you know all the names of the colors. Yes, this is the purple cup with the purple marbles. Let's put them in their places. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. See? We have 10 purple marbles here now. And this cup is empty too. We are doing very well. There are only 2 places left to fill. Look, friends, out of all these colors, we only have 2 left, the orange and the blue one. So, which color of marbles should we put here? Yep, that's right, the orange ones. We need to put 11 marbles, just like the number on this orange oval. Let's grab this cup and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. See, friends? We used all the orange marbles. This cup is empty now. We don't have any orange marbles anymore. So, friends, we are down to the very last place. Tell me, what color is this square? Yep, that's right. It's blue. Now, what number comes after 11? Yes, it's number 12. So, automatically, how many marbles do we need here? Yep, you're right. We need 12 marbles. This is our very last full cup. Let's count these blue marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 marbles. As you can see, the cup is empty now. We did it, friends! We emptied all the cups! You helped me so well. We filled every single marble place. Now you know all your numbers from 1 to 12. Great job, my friends! We did such a wonderful job today filling our parrot board. Wait, but before I forget, I will see you in another video. We will learn how to read the clock and know exactly what time it is. Oh, look, friends! What are these things appearing in the color cups? Oh, wait, let's see together. Let's start with the red cup. Do you know what this is? It's red like the cup. Ooh, yes, you're right. It's a tomato. Some people say it's a vegetable, and others say it's a fruit. Now let's look in the purple cup. What do we have here? They are small, round, and purple. Yes, they are grapes. Such a delicious fruit. What about the orange cup? Look, it's an orange, a sweet fruit, and it has the same name as the color. Now, let's check the yellow cup. It's a bit sour. Do you know it? Yes, it's a lemon, and it's a fruit too. And finally, the green cup. This one is a big and sweet fruit. It's a melon. Look at that beautiful green color. Wow, our cups weren't just for marbles, they were for healthy fruits too. We learned colors, numbers, and healthy snacks today. Great job, my friends! We did it! See you next time in another video. Bye-bye, little champions!